What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Let me turn this air down real quick. It is getting warmer here in New Jersey, and my buddy Ralph, I think you may have seen him in a previous video, he installed eFans on his Trailblazer SS, and he doesn't believe that the patch is done because he said he went to get lunch and he was sitting in Chic-Fil-A's drive-thru and it was heating up, not overheating, but heating up. So he doesn't think the patch is there because the fans are running at a constant speed. So I have HPTuners. What we're going to do is head over to his house, see if we can install the patch into the ECM and get him squared away, because don't want your truck overheating, right? Got to go take care of that. So we're going to go head over there now. He's just wrapping up with some other things, so we'll get to his house, unload the laptop, hook up HPTuners, download his tune. I've already pulled a tune which had eFans in it, so I can copy and paste those settings from the fans into his tune, and we should be good to go. Should be as simple as that. He put the eFans in a video, and I'll link to it right here, a couple weeks ago. So now that the weather's finally breaking and getting warm, he's experiencing a little bit of an issue. So let's get that squared away from him and head over there now. Let's do it. HPTuners hooked up and read this tune, download it, and then we're gonna start doing the patch. HPTuners is up. Do me a favor, plug that into your OBD tube.
I'm taking direction here, so.
We got a vlog and a vlog.
Vlog and a vlog again. Where's the hole?
Put some hair around it. We're reading the tune now. Ralph is vlogging a vlog. We're all hooked up. We got our HPTuners interface to the laptop. And we're gonna read and see what's going on, and we're basically pulling his tune down to see what's done to it. And we're gonna find out if there's any patchwork done to the fan tab in the ECM, which we highly doubt because you overheated.
Yeah, I got hot and overheat.
Yeah, a little warm, a little toasty.
It was super hot out, and I was sitting in line at Chic-Fil-A, and I had nowhere to go, and we were like inching forward every few minutes. So in order to cool the truck off, I turned the heat on full blast and put all the windows down, so I was literally like sweating. Yeah, it's actually going to read the TCM as well. Well, the transmission control
module. The transmission control module. We're not going to do anything with that, but we're going to look at it, just see what kind of...
Can you make it so that this thing doesn't punch me in the butthole every time it shifts from 1 to 2?
I'm not a tuner, but we can see.
Because that's the thing that happens.
Well, there might be no torque management.
Don't judge me because I'm holding this mic.
There might be no torque management. All right, system, fans, and I don't think anything's done.
PWM-EV, the other one that you had that sent me a screenshot of.
Yeah, let's do a compare so that we can compare. So we'll open a compare file, and I actually went on the HPTuners repository and already pulled down one that has the PCM for less fans patch on it, and I'll double click that.
Oh yeah, everything's different, right?
Everything, yeah. So the green will indicate what's different. So right now the blue is our original, and then we can show the compare, and that's discrete.
Yep, that's what I was saying.
You can see that's discrete as opposed to Rouse, that's PMW/EV. So
PWM.
I'm sorry, PWM/EV. So it doesn't seem like there's anything done because all that green is changes and differences, and it doesn't even look like it was on. So what we'll do is we'll take all the changes from the PCM for less tune in the repository that had the patch and make that to Rouse tune, then load that. All right, we're gonna write the tune. Let HPTuners do its thing.
Man, the headlights turned on. Did you see that?
Yeah, it'll cycle the computers.
Doing all kinds of weird stuff. My stability track's off again. All the lights are going.
Yeah, we're like 40 seconds in. It should write it.
I'm guessing this is normal.
You want to hear a funny story? When I was getting my CTSV tuned, My tuner was like, he was in the passenger seat, I was driving. No, I lied. He was driving my car. I was holding his laptop. We were data logging. Well, he didn't like something, so he pulled up to a light, and he's like, let me make a change real quick. So as we're at the light, he's changing it. And the light turns green, and he's literally still in the middle of flashing my tune.
So
and
you're stuck there?
There's cars behind us honking, and he's like, I'm sorry. It was fucking hilarious. And literally, the light cycled to red, and we never got to move. But he's like, I promise I'll move when it turns green. Honestly, got a true story.
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Oh man, it like
So right's complete. So I would turn
off
key
and
off.
then on.
Yep. Let it sit for a second. All right, now we should be able.
1 second.
Now, if it starts, we did something right. Okay.
Oh, it starts.
Cool. All right, now what we'll do is we'll go to the data logger. Right.
Right.
Go to scanner, and we'll scan it and see what's going on.
Well, there's a door ajar apparently. I think it's probably that one and that one.
All right, let's vehicle connect. So it's gathering vehicle data. So it's checking all your sensors, what's available, what it can read, and then I think we want to go to.
So my truck does this weird thing when I fill it with gas.
Start scanning.
When I fill it up,
okay,
and then I go to start it, and it just cranks and cranks and cranks. It doesn't start, and sometimes it'll like kind of start and not stay running, and then I have to turn the key off, turn it back on, crank it again, cranks, and then it starts. You know anything about that? It's only when I fill it.
That's it. Do you always fill it?
No.
It's when you get
a
gas.
lot of times I don't fill it because I don't want to have to deal with that.
Maybe
But
your charcoal canister.
Whenever I fill it, that happens.
Does the pump ever click off on you?
The pump clicks off on me all the time. I have to put it upside down in the thing.
Yeah, there's something wrong with your
with
vent.
the evap and stuff, right?
Yeah, there's gotta be.
That's what I was thinking.
All right, so here we are. We're monitoring.
Should I shut the hood so that it gets hotter?
Yeah.
Well, let me see if they're spinning.
Yeah, let's see if I can turn the fans on. Fan 1 on.
Yeah, they're on like low right now.
Fan 2 on.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, so that kicked it higher.
Yeah. You want to go for a ride?
Yeah, we can.
I mean,
We gotta put the beers away.
Well, you have to put yours away.
Where's yours?
On your trunk.
Oh, fuck.
Here, I'll put it out.
All right.
You're the passenger. Is that a thing?
I wish it wasn't. Yo, look how he's got to put his gas fucking. Look at this shit.
Whatever works, bro.
Did you tell him to do that? Did you?
No, I did it.
Did you?
You can see that the gas door is all scratched up because it's been doing
'Cause
that.
that's how you've
I've
been
been
doing
doing
it all
that
the
for
time?
7 years. Yeah, whenever I go over 100, this happens.
Really? Just stops around?
So I was at ACO once, and I thought
You didn't do 100 at Echo.
Yo, yes, I did. I don't know.
101.
I think I actually did like 98. But after the traps, I'm sure I was over 100.
All right.
But I'm on the decel lane, and I hear.
You thought it was a
like,
motor?
Fuck! I got a knock. And I come out, and I'm like, oh, it's just this weather stripping that keeps popping out every time I do 100. I was supposed to have like a corner piece, but it's gone.
Maybe that's why.
Yeah, but I don't know. Do I gotta order that?
It don't want to shift that 2-3. It don't like that.
Yeah. Joe Barron gifts.
Yes. Cold beers. All right, guys. So that's it. It seems like everything is working well. We got the patch into his tune, no problems. I think what we're going to work on next is looking at a tune in the repository for a Trailblazer with headers, because he told me when he got tuned, he was stock exhaust, and now he has headers, and he never got it retuned. So the truck's probably running rich. We could lean it out a little bit. So what we'll do is we'll look at the tune from the repository, see what's done to it, and maybe pull some of that over into his tune and see what it'll do. But overall, truck's running good. I think it runs strong. The eFans are kicking on when they're supposed to, so everything's good to go. Ralph's happy, right?
I'm happy.
Exactly, he's happy. So we're gonna crack a beer. I'm gonna cut a cigar open and have a little puff, and we're gonna hang out and just shoot some shit. But that's it for this video. Listen, guys, if you liked it, don't forget, hit that like button, hit subscribe, stay with me for future content. I want you to be there on our ride. All right, until next time, we'll see you later. Peace.